exhaust. Yo, that's Mario Andretti. Overland series and street series. Let's go with the street series. Catback. Add to cart.
A few moments later.
That was so fast. Performance lab today, and I have a very special package here. A catback for my Nissan Frontier, my 2022 Nissan Frontier. I'm super excited to install this on my truck because, as you guys saw in the first little skit, my Frontier needed a new exhaust. MagnaFlow was one of the only ones that offered a full exhaust system for the truck. Best part about it all, this paper right here. It has instructions, guys. We have to disassemble the old exhaust, so let's go get started. This is a brand new car, so nothing is rusted on. Everything comes off super easy. Why can't all cars be like this? The last section of the exhaust is officially off. We're gonna do a quick arm workout. It's too light. You want to carefully place it on the ground. Just like that. Let's go wash our hands. We are currently running no exhaust system on the Frontier right now because now it's time for the exciting part. I washed my hands and now we're going to be putting together the new exhaust system. There we go. I'm gonna keep this between us. This is actually my first time installing a catback, and I believe terminology is super important. So they have everything labeled, and I'm currently laying it down how I'm supposed to be setting it up on top. And of course, in between all of this piping will be clamps. And for those wondering, yes, we do get stickers, so place your orders in right now. This is what the exhaust tip looks like. I think it looks so good, and look at that MagnaFlow logo on it. And it's gonna be coming out, I believe, from this section. A little bit about the NDT chamber because I find it actually very cool. Now, NDT actually stands for No Drone Technology, and what it actually does adds a quarter wave resonator to the system, which eliminates more drone. If you guys don't know what drone is, the way I like to describe it is basically when you're inside the vehicle and all you hear is the exhaust noise vibrations inside the car. When we had the RSX, the drone was really bad. It did have a catback on it, but it was a different brand. But I just saw in the box another option to swap out the NDT chamber. And this is something really easy. I could quickly go under the truck and swap out if I don't like, but I'm gonna choose to go with this instead of this chamber right over here. Enough talking, let's get to installing. Basically, this is gonna levitate and stick onto the bottom section of the truck. First section's going in. I'm gonna quickly assemble the Y section together. This is literally the easiest thing I've ever done. I believe anyone can do this. All right, next section is the muffler. The last part of the exhaust system has officially been installed, and I just want to drop this thing and hear how it sounds. And I'm just tightening everything up. I still gotta tighten up that clamp right over there. But let's go take a look at the exhaust tip. This is the only time I'm gonna be able to stick my hand in here, and it's gonna be not dirty at all. Well, they're dirty because we were working, but you know what I mean. So the full exhaust system is on right now. I'm just going back and actually torquing everything down. I basically worked back up. We are gonna bring the truck down and finally hear what it sounds like and also check for exhaust leaks. So I will catch you guys when the truck is coming down. Are you guys ready? Wow. That sounds a lot meaner. Now I feel totally right driving this truck. We just need to lower it and the truck's gonna be 100%. I had a good time installing this exhaust and I feel like you don't hear that often. But anyways, hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will catch you guys in the next video.